Hey everyone, Cassie here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel for another video. Today we're going to be opening up the July 2023 Spellbinders Quick and Easy Card Kit. This one is called Sweet and Cool, and as you can already tell, it's got some fun goodies in there. So let's go ahead and open it up. I will say stick around towards the very end because I will have some cards to share with you at the end of this video. So here I'm going to pull out the card. The card, like I said, it says it's called Sweet and Cool. Very summery feel. Your card is going to tell you all the stuff that comes in your kit. It's going to give you a couple of card ideas, and then on the back it's also going to share how you would put one of those cards together. So that's a really cute little card. I like that little scene. Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and dive on in. Every card kit is going to come with some double-sided adhesive and some foam squares. Those are essential, and what makes this kit so great is if you are like a crafter on the go, or you are new to card making and you just want to take this kit and see what you can do. The only thing you would need outside of this would potentially be like maybe a paper trimmer, and even that is or scissors. Scissors would be fine too. So like I said, you'll get your double-sided adhesive and your foam squares. The other thing that you are going to get in this kit, let's see if I can find it in there, that every kit gets is you're going to get card bases and envelopes, and you're going to get 8 of these, I believe. Yeah, 8 cards and 8 envelopes. These are A2 size, which means they measure 4 1/4 inches by 5 1/2 inches. And so 8 cards right out of the gate. That's great. You're also going to get, this seems to be a new thing in the kits, you're going to get a stack. There's 20 of them in here, of some A2 card panels. And these are of cardstock. And technically it ends up being like almost one, it would, if you put it all back together, it'd be 4 or 1 whole sheet of the colors that you see here. So you're going to get 4 of each of these colors. We've got like a white, a purple, a pink, a yellow, and a blue. And so that's 20 panels. These are a little bit thicker cards, not like thick cardstock, but compared to the pattern paper that you're going to get in the kit, it's definitely thicker than that. So now we're going to pull out, do we have pattern paper? We may not have pattern paper in here. Oh, that's a new one. Okay. Wait, yes we do. Yes we do. We do have pattern paper. And now what's neat about the pattern paper, these are 6 by 6. Most of the time there's some sort of foiling on some of them. They are single-sided, so you don't have to choose between patterns. And they are perfect layering pattern papers. So they're not real thick, which is great. That doesn't add a bunch of bulk to your cards. So I'm going to pull those out and we'll look at our patterns. Set that off to the side. I like this. This yellow is pretty. Ooh, a yellow with the purple. Love it. Complementary colors, you know. Oh, that's cute. Fun in the sun. That's what that one says. I've got these upside down. Let me just flip it. Look at those Jeeps. Oh, that's cute with the little surfboard on top. That's pretty. Ice cream, of course. This is a super pretty color palette. Oh, I love that. That has like starfish on it. All right. Ooh, look at the fish. Ooh, that is so cute. Little suns. Like those diagonal stripes. Some umbrellas. I like that we've got some solids that have patterns in there as well. But you get an array, which is great, and then a really nice color palette to go along with that. Love those. Like I said, great for layering. So you also get those. Let's pull out some of our... Ooh, look at these embellishments. You've got some enamel dots in here, and you've got the colors that match our pattern papers. So you've got some like orange ones, yellow ones, or I guess those are peachy colored. And then you've got like a pink, more of a coral pink, maybe a lavender type color, a blue, a green, and then a lighter green. That's a really pretty pattern, or a really pretty color palette. and then check out our sequins. I like these. These are mostly flat back, it looks like, so they'll be easy to mail, and it looks like you have a couple different sizes in there. You have like a large one and maybe large and medium, or large and small, however you want to say it. But a ton in there, so you could make a couple shakers or use these as embellishments on the outside of your card. You would just probably have to use some glue to get those adhered down. Super pretty. Yes, there's more in this kit. Okay, so let's pull out, look at these stickers. These are like puffy stickers, and we've got, they're all words. So life, hey, chill, life is cool, chill out, sun-kissed, don't worry, summer, splish splash, fun in the sun, be happy, hello, sunshine, good times, this is a good day. Those are fun. Obviously you could use some of those without all of it if you just wanted fun or something with sun in it. Hello summer would be cool, or hey summer, or cool summer would be great. That's fun. I like those a lot, and I like the font of it too. All right, next up we have some chipboard embellishments, and these are stickers as well, and you get two sides to this. So I'll pull out one of them so you can see. Just fell through there. It looks like the die cut went, the cutting machine cut them all the way through. But I assume you can peel off. Yeah, it's a sticker. And then lots of great beach themed stuff. This is making me want to get to the beach so bad. We have some more sentiments. We've got hello, fun in the sun, best day ever, sunshine, make it fun, endless summer, happy days like these. Find joy every day, you bring the fun, splash, and smiles. But you know what else is great about these card kits is that if you are a scrapbooker, or you like to maybe even just take a picture and make your own frame and embellish your own frame with it, you've got some stickers and some embellishments and stuff like that that go great in your scrapbooks and such. So keep that in mind. I put these back in there so I don't lose them. A little sun. And then last of all in this kit, we're going to have a bunch of ephemera. And I don't even know how much it is, but usually what you'll get, these die cut shapes, you're usually going to get 2 of every shape. So let's pull them out and take a look. I'm not going to go through all of it, but there's usually just such a fun array and a mix of types as well. So you might get some real, what's the word I'm looking for? Some real whimsical. You also might get some more that are not so whimsical. Like I think that one is a little less whimsical. B is for beach. That's cute. Like a little name tag. Oh, and we also have C is for castle. Like it a lot. You've got some seashells. We've got just, oh my gosh, all of it. You do have a few words. We've got sunny days and snapshots. We've got fresh lemonade. You got a bike swimsuit. You got the beach house. You've got rainbows and blankets and lemons and fish. You got a lot. Some of them are foiled. There's just so many. Beyond amazing. I like that one too. So lots of options. This is great. Like I said, stick around at the end of this video because I'm going to have some cards that I made. I'll share those with you and talk you through kind of how I made them. And just to give you some ideas, and then I'll have a link down below to my blog so that you can go take a look at those pictures if you'd like to just kind of get a better look at those. All right, thanks for sticking around. Our first card uses some of the ephemera and also one of the chipboard stickers along with those beautiful sequins. I just think this little scene turned out really cute. Our second card uses lots of the ephemera, more of those sequins, and then some of those puffy stickers because I just loved that Hello Sunshine. This bright card might be my favorite. Our third card uses more ephemera and the puffy stickers once again, and I already know who I'm going to send this card to. And then our final card today uses a chipboard sticker that says sunshine and then more ephemera. And I love this one too. Obviously, lots more cards could be made with all the ephemera and paper and everything that you get in this kit, but I do love how these 4 turned out. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. Definitely consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. And as always, I will see you very soon in another video. Bye, everybody.